Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing a baseline. Measure your current clarity with a 20/20 chart or a close-up photo so progress is real. Once done, schedule 2 focus sessions, 20 minutes each, morning and evening, because consistent repetition rewires visual habits. Make sure to hydrate and use a warm compress for 3 to 5 minutes to relax lids. This opens tear film and reduces blur. Start with simple focus exercises now and expect subtle improvement within days when you follow the plan exactly. Once you have the routine, intensify the middle week steps. Do palming for 2 minutes per eye to reduce strain, then perform focus shift drills, 10 reps alternating near and far, which retrains accommodation muscles. Make sure to get 10 to 15 minutes of gentle sunlight exposure for circadian support. Do not stare directly at the sun. Also, boost lutein, omega-3, and vitamins A and C through leafy greens and oily fish. Improved nutrition supports retinal function and speeds recovery. Now you consolidate gains. Repeat the baseline test and log any clarity changes to quantify success. Continue a maintenance routine, 10 to 20 minutes daily, and prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep because rest consolidates visual learning. If progress stalls, reduce screen time and increase breaks. Try the 20-20-20 rule. If persistent blurring, pain, or sudden changes occur, see a professional promptly. Do not push through alarming symptoms. Medical evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.